Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I realized I have not done nearly enough videos with my bottle bottoms. I think these are literally like the coolest thing since sliced bread. And you can get some insane patterns that you can't get any other way. So it comes in a set of three, a 2-inch one, a 3-inch one, and a 4-inch one. This is the 3-inch one, which I find is pretty good for a 12 by 12 canvas. The 4-inch one works better for larger canvas, like 20-inch canvases and things like that. So those are available on my website, mixedmediagirl.com. I'll put the link in the description. But I'm going to do a fun video with it, kind of show you how it works. And I'm going for summer colors. So I'm using a lot of warm colors, white, yellow. I'm going to throw some copper in there, because why not? Some orange, red, and then some royal purple. Now purple could be a warm color or a cool color, but this is a pretty warm purple actually. These are also all Mixed Media Girl paints, so if interested, those are also on my website. And I'm gonna just go back through and layer a little bit more. I'm gonna fill up this. This is a Lowly Buffet bowl. I love these bowls because you can reuse them, reuse them, reuse them, and you're not wasting plastic or anything. So that purple will give a nice dark contrast. Okay. Now I do have my canvas, which I think I already said it, but it's a 12 by 12. I do have it up on a Lazy Susan. The Lazy Susan I got from, I think, Walmart or something, or Amazon. No, I got it on Amazon for like $13. So that's also in my Amazon store. Someone awesome just sent me a new Lazy Susan that I need to try out. So video on that coming soon. But for now I have my crappy one, and I just use double-sided sticky tape to stick my canvas to it. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and just pour here. You can just pour straight in. I usually do a little bit of a tree ring. Not required, but... And it gives you the floral pattern that you kind of see coming out there. You can pour as slow or as fast as you want. Pouring a little bit faster, I think, than I normally do. Maybe too much coffee or something, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna get that light coming out. Of course, remember, whatever you put first in your cup or your bowl will be what comes out last. Now I like to let it sit there for a minute and let it fully drain. And you can do this without a spinner. I just like doing it on a spinner because it maintains the pattern as well as possible. Whereas when you tilt it, it's pretty impossible to tilt it evenly, so your design's gonna get a little bit distorted. I'm gonna go ahead and just move my bottles of paint out of the way, and then we'll come back and do the next step. Okay, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and pull it off. I do have extra large gloves on, which is not really the right size for me, but I'm going to make it work. So I personally like to give it time to actually close up that hole. I think that gives the best design. Just remember, paint flows where there's already paint. You know, liquid flows where there's already liquid. So if you start moving it before that hole is filled up, it's not the end of the world. But you're going to have that dry patch of canvas that the paint will have trouble flowing on, and you might get a little bit more unevenness. And I don't always wait for it to fully close up, but at least mostly. Now this already is a gorgeous design, but I want to do one more thing to this, which I'm going to actually wreck each petal and kind of just give it a little more excitement. I just think it's awesome. And I have used the actual bottle bottoms before, which is just you're cutting off the bottom of a soda bottle. And that works fine. I have found though that these ones that I make actually work a lot better. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you that, but they just do. Okay. It's mostly filled in. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to go ahead and start spinning. And you can see that the design is literally just going straight out. I'm gonna help this middle part along here. I kind of wish I had actually let it close up, but that's okay. So if I was tilting, this design would be a lot more distorted. And now I'm going to help the corners out a little. Just remember, the paint will flow where there's already wet paint. So by helping it out, it helps the paint to flow there. You can take a little off your mat or whatever. Okay, good. Couple more spins and we should be good. Yep, just one is good enough for me. You could, of course, keep spinning it. That you don't have to stop here just because your canvas is covered. If you want to keep going, then keep going until you're happy with the design. I think this looks amazing. So I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. So here we go. See these gorgeous lines? Nice bright yellow. I just love, love, love this. It looks like insane leaves. Like some crazy tropical flower or something. So beautiful. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. I'm in love with this color combo, but this could work with so many other color combinations. It's not even funny. You can do more spring colors with greens and pinks and stuff. You can do more winter colors. I think it's getting to be summer in California, so this is pretty awesome. And check out the bottle bottoms and the paints and everything on my website. And I'll see you all next time.